Hello everyone, this is Jenny from Tuftinglove.com, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the pile height on our NK02 loop pile tufting gun. The tools we need to do so is a normal screwdriver and a measuring tool that you have on hand. Before we start working on the machine, we make sure it's unplugged for safety, because we don't want to accidentally turn it on while we have our hands on the moving parts. This would hurt you and the gun, and that's not something we want. The pile height of the loop pile tufting gun is set by the distance of the yarn guide and the pusher. And if we measure this on our gun here, we are at around 8 millimeters. And we want to go to our highest possible pile height, that's 14 millimeters. So we want to increase the distance from the tip of our yarn guide to the pusher. To do so, we have to loosen this screw. So let's do this. You just have to loosen it, you don't have to take it out. Now we loosen it, and you can see that both of these parts can move freely now. So what we want to do is have the distance of 14 millimeters between that tip and the pusher. And at the same time, we want to make sure that the gap between the pusher and the foot is not too big. So something like this will be great. Now we move the gear carefully to the back so we can reach our screw again, fix the two parts with one hand while tightening the screw again with the other. As you now can see, there is a small gap, and the distance from yarn guide to pusher is on 14 millimeters. If you want to check for the gaps measurement, you can take your smallest Allen key that comes with the gun and slide it in. It should not be loose in here, but it can slide in easily, then you're good to go. That's how easy the pile height of our loop pile tufting gun is adjusted. I hope this helps you, and see you next time.